It is Monday morning and we are heading to the Oyster Bar in downtown St. Pete to pick up their shells that they have actually sold over the weekend. They are one of our two largest shell recycling partners at the moment. We average probably between 300 and 500 pounds of shell every 3 days out of this particular establishment. They prep the oysters in the morning, or they prep the oysters per order, and the shuckers in the restaurant will take the top shell off an oyster and throw it in the bucket. Once that bucket gets filled, they seal it and they put it out back for us to pick up. Oyster Bar, in the process, has bought into the program so much that the servers actually separate the oyster shell at the tables and in the kitchens after they bust the tables, and they recycle both the top and the bottom shells. So they actually have double the shell output and twice the recycling effort. So there's nothing that goes in the trash when it comes to the oysters. So it's really great partnering with them. I'm really interested to see what they say about their perspective and how much they enjoy doing this with us.
Oh, for sure. I can't say enough good things about Tampa Bay Watch. Someone's never ever Googled what oysters can do to a waterway. These guys are the essential part of cleaning up any body of water, you know what I mean? It doesn't matter if it's brackish water, out in the ocean, like the way oysters filter this water and how quickly and efficiently they do it. But there was never anyone that was willing to do the dirty work. And so when Tampa Bay Watch reached out, we're just like, sign them up, because just so many positive things come from it. But not only that, we swim in this water too. So we want the whole community getting involved. It's come and eat a dozen oysters and know that, you'll be doing some backstroke and some beautiful crisp water in years to come.
We put these shells, after we collect them, in a curing pad, and we deposit this shell onto our pile for about 3 months as it cures.
Typically the shells will just get discarded in the trash, so then the poor old bar back's like, that's why this is so heavy, and then that gets thrown in the dumpster, and then the garbage man comes along, why is this so heavy? It's bloody oyster shells. One here is just such an effortless but really huge beneficial thing to the community. And I think this is a model that could just be executed, in any coastal town. We love the fact that just one little simple act, it might be as simple as recycling a bottle. In our case, recycling an oyster shell, we can just effortlessly add to the greater good of, humanity. The whole world.